Order matters for the modifiers. So to demonstrate this, we have a cube right here. Let's do Shift A mesh. We're going to do cylinder, RY90, SGX. There we go. Let's add a modifier. We're going to do a Boolean. We have it as cylinder. We're just going to hide this guy. So that's what it looks like. Now let's add a subdivision on top of that. Subdivision surface. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the subdivision surface. Kind of looks funky. Now, if we change it, you see how it looks different? So I'll do that again. So if I have the Boolean first and then subdivision, and it looks funky. But if I have the subdivision first and then the Boolean, it actually looks pretty clean. So what's happening here is it's the order of operations for the modifiers. So if I just hide this, so by having the subdivision first it subdivides it to be a nice clean sphere. And then with a Boolean, it's indenting inside of that sphere. Now, if I have it the other way, it's indenting inside the cube, and then it's trying to do the subdivision on top of that. And then it does a little hiccup. So you want to be very careful with the order of your modifiers.